Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Debt Tracker template to conveniently keep track of all your loans, debts, and payments, and see how quickly you're moving toward paying off your debts completely. The template helps you manage amounts, due dates, and remaining payments all in one place. On the main Debt tab, you get a complete overview of your debts and payments. On the left side, there's a section called Debt Information. Here, you enter all your debts, their names, amounts, and due dates. The progress field fills in automatically as you add payments and reduce your debt. At the top, you can see the total for all your debts. It is calculated automatically. Total target debt, paid amount, remaining amount, and here you can see the progress bar. Each debt has its own separate block. For example, credit card balance, car loan, personal loan, medical debt. For each debt, you see target debt, paid amount, deadline, and remaining amount. And you also see a progress bar. All this data updates automatically when you enter transactions. Under each debt, you'll find an operations log, transaction log. Here, you record all payments for a specific debt, including the date, description, and amount. For example, you can enter monthly payments, extra contributions, or partial early repayments. All entered amounts automatically update the data for each debt and your overall repayment progress. You can add up to 30 debts, from loans and credit cards to personal borrowings. You can customize the names, amounts, and dates to fit your needs. The template automatically calculates totals and shows the actual repayment percentage, so you can see which debts are almost paid off and which ones need more attention. The Setup tab. In the Setup tab, you can customize the template to your preferences. In the Currency field, enter your currency symbol. It will be automatically applied to all sheets. And in the Theme field, choose a color theme. There are 4 color themes available, so you can pick the one that suits you best. These settings apply to the entire template, making it look neat and personalized. The Debt Tracker template helps you clearly see your progress in paying off debts, plan your payments, and move toward financial freedom step by step. Just add new payments, and the table will automatically update all calculations. You can purchase this template in my Etsy shop. The link is below the video. Happy budgeting!